1 out of 10, what'd you give me?
10.
10? That's my baby.
It was all for that bag, yeah, yeah. Said it was all for that bag, yeah, yeah. Said it was all for that bag, yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Say, what's poppin', slimes?
What's poppin', slimes?
What's going on, man? It's your boy Jamar Alexander. I got my daughter here. I got Jersey. Say hi, Jersey.
Hi.
This is my daddy's girl, and this is my baby, and I do her hair a whole lot. And as a single father, man, I just want to be able to
look at my tablet.
Yeah, so she likes to use her tablet while I'm doing her hair. And today, what we're gonna do is,
and I have a lot of games on my tablet.
That's right. And today we're gonna allow
I got a short game, a puzzle game, and a makeup game.
Yeah.
And
she got YouTube. But today we're going to let Jersey go and pick out her hairstyle on Google. I'm gonna Google probably like mixed girl curly hairstyles, and I'm gonna let Jersey pick it out. So we gonna pick out your hairstyle, baby?
yes.
All right. So we're gonna let her go ahead and pick. So we'll see what she does, and Daddy gonna do it for her. Yeah. Say yeah.
Two hours later.
All right, so this is what Jersey decided to pick. Who wear their hair like that?
Auntie Shannon.
That's right. So my aunt, she wears her hair like that. So, hey, Auntie Shannon, this for you. This what baby girl picked, man. Hopefully y'all can see. Here, autofocus on it. So, this is the style. Daddy gonna do it. Let's get it. So the first thing we gonna do here is go ahead and spray her hair down with some water. What I like to do is I like to spray it down with water and get it saturated, so when it's time to comb through it, it's a much easier comb through. Just a little trick I learned. All right, so what I do next is I kind of take a little bit of hair, kind of section it off in a way, and I go ahead and just comb the ends, and then I start going from the root of the hair all the way to the top, little sections at a time. You know, and if it's still a little dry, I go ahead and spray a little more water just to help me comb through it. Like I said, the more water you put in it, the easier comb through it is. Now what I'm doing is I'm grabbing a much larger section that I've already combed out. I'm going ahead and comb through it as one. Then I'm gonna put it up in a ponytail so it's kind of out my way. This right here is me combing out, well, not really combing out, but brushing out the larger section. This is a section that I'm not really gonna be using too much, but I'm gonna comb it out. We'll brush it out so it's more curly when I get to putting the pink oil moisturizer and whatever product I'm using inside of it to keep it curly. And now you see here, I'm just gonna put it up in a ponytail so I can continue to work on that front section. So to start this off, we're gonna go ahead and part the middle. You know, she wants that nice little hairstyle with the middle part, so I'm just gonna part through the middle and get it started. And, you know, definitely got to make sure that the part is straight in the middle of the head. You don't want to look goofy out here. As you can see, it look like I know a little bit of what I'm doing, but all I'm doing here is just parting it straight across in the middle so both sides are even when it comes to both ponytails in the front. I'm not doing too bad. My daughter has some curly hair, so, and it's a lot of it, so it's kind of hard sometimes, but, you know, daddy got it. So what I decided to use was pink oil moisturizer, so I'll go ahead and moisturize the hair. And I start to brush it just so I can get a nice clean ponytail. And then once I get the clean ponytail, I'll go ahead and put that up in a bun and watch daddy work. I mean, like I said, fathers, man, don't be scared to just try things out, man. You don't get better if you don't try, so man, just go for it. See, and that's the key. When you put it in that bun, don't put it in that don't put the ponytail all the way through. Just leave a little space to where it's poking out like a little bun. And then what I decided to do was I wrapped it around. And then once I got that down, I went ahead and put a nice little hairball in her. You know what I mean? Just to match with her outfit. Just try to be different. You know, try to keep the picture the same, hairstyle the same, but I did a little dad sauce with the pink ball. And again, as you see, baby girl loves her YouTube, man. It keeps her occupied while I'm doing her hair. So hey, if you got kids YouTube on deck, go ahead, man. Usually occupy the kids so you can get your thing done. So once I get done with the ponytails, I go ahead and put that pink oil moisturizer in the back of the hair. It's already wet, so I'm kind of in the clear. So put some more pink oil moisturizer in it, and I just go ahead and try to fluff it out. Get the pick or a comb, whatever you got, and just kind of comb through it. With my daughter's hair, when it's wet, once I comb through it all the way through, it gets right back curly, and it brings out pretty curls. So I just comb all the way through it to the ends, and then there you have it. Now she's looking in the mirror. Watch the smile. Yeah, there go the smile. Daddy did his thing. My baby is happy. Listen, fathers, the secret to hairstyling your kids, for me, is pink oil moisturizer, all right? In the description section below, go ahead and click the link, and you can go ahead and order you some pink oil moisturizer right now. If you need other supplies like brushes, combs, you can go ahead and click the link and go find some right now. Go ahead, click the link. All right, Jersey's holding the camera, so Daddy baby, tell me you like your hair?
Yes.
How did Daddy do?
Good.
Good. What would you give me? A 10? 1 out of 10, what would you give me?
10.
10? That's my baby. Daddy is not a professional hairdresser or anything like that. I'm just a single father who had a daughter who knows how to do his daughter's hair. I had to learn, and the more I do, the more I get better and better. So this is what my baby wanted. This is what she get, and my baby liked it. So I am a happy customer. If my baby is happy, then I'm happy. You happy, baby?
Yeah.
How happy?
So happy.
So happy. Well, again, this your boy Jamar Alexei and
Jersey.
all right. Say bow. So, as you can see, man, I knocked that out, did baby girl's hair, and I'm not by all means a professional at all, man. Ever since having my daughter, you know what I mean, I just do it, and you know, I'm the type that I try anything. So the more you do, the better you get at it. So like I said, man, when you don't have a woman around and you a single father, I'm not saying that I'm a full-time single father at all, but I am a single father. You know, I get my daughter half the time, just like her mama get her half the time. And you know, like I said, you gotta do her hair, and instead of having her have this curly afro all the time, you know, I would do her hair, you know, ponytails, then you start off doing other stuff, try parts, then, you know, you switch it up, man, you know. And like I said, man, even I challenge any father, you know, we have daughters, fathers do have daughters, and we don't have to have moms the only ones doing hair. So listen, man, even if you have another woman, you have a child with another woman, or you with the lady that you with, whoever, do the baby's hair, try it out, man. You know what I mean? It's all about fatherhood, man. And I enjoy being a father. I love being a father. Anybody who knows me know I love being a father. So, you know what I mean? My next task is trying to learn how to braid, so maybe I can try to, you know, French braid her hair, and we're gonna see how that go one day. But for now, I'm gonna just let my baby keep picking what style she want. She can pick the style and let daddy do it, man. So like I said, man, I thank y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Listen, if y'all want to critique me, go for it. Doesn't matter, man. Hey, any critique is good critique to me. You know, I'm trying to do better. I'm trying to be the best father I can be, best man I can be. And hey, it is what it is. Yeah. Say, girl, what it do? You and your crew, won't you come through? Shout it, won't you come through? We can make moves at Blue 42. Won't you come through? Shout it, won't you come through?